Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply for Deliveroo Rider in Italy. Start by opening the Deliveroo Rider website or the Deliveroo app on your phone. The process is the same on both, so you can choose whichever is easier for you. Once the page loads, look for a button that says Join Us. This is usually visible on the main screen. Click on that button to begin your application. After clicking Join Us, you will be taken to a new page. Scroll down slowly until you find the option that says Apply Now. Click on Apply Now to continue. The system will now ask you to select the city where you want to work as a rider. Choose your preferred city from the list. Next, you will need to enter your personal details. Type your first name and last name carefully. Then enter your email address and your mobile phone number. Make sure all information is correct because you will need to verify it. After filling in your details, you will be asked to select your vehicle type. You can choose from options like bicycle, electric bicycle, scooter, or car. Pick the one you plan to use for deliveries. Now the platform will ask you to verify your email and phone number. Follow the instructions sent to your email and phone to complete the verification process. Once verified, you will be asked to upload a photo of your passport. In some cases, you may also need to upload a photo of your vehicle and an ID document. Make sure the images are clear. After your application is reviewed and approved, your account will be created. You can then log in and start delivering. Thanks for watching.